Morning student, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So student, today we will start a new topic, bird's name. Okay, which topic today we will start? Bird's name. Do you know about bird? A bird is an animal with feather, wings, beak. Okay, a bird is an animal with feather, wings and beak. So student, you must have seen birds flying around your house, right? आपने देखे ना अपने आसपास बहुत सारे बर्ड्स उड़ते हुए. But do you know their names? So in this video we are going to learn birds name. Okay, so first one is crow. Start from the third line, go slant, move back on this line and cut round turn. C-R-O, make W like this, slant like this, C-R-O-W, crow. Do your work in proper formation, okay? Crow after, write down hen. Make small tail and make a slanting line and turn. Make again slanting line, move back on this line and round out in, touch this line and out. H-E, make slant and H-E-N, hen. Okay, crow after hen. Hen after, write down duck. Make a slanting line, make small loop, turn, round turn, go up, touch and out in. D-U-C-K, duck. Go slant and turn. D-U-C-K, duck. Okay, duck after, next write down parrot. Write down, make a slanting line, turn, go up, round turn, make semicircle. Now put your pencil here. Okay, go slant, touch a second line, move back on this line and turn. P-A-R-R, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Okay, parrot after, write down owl. Start from the third line, go slant, move round, move back on this line, touch and round turn, go up, make like this fall, turn. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. Okay, birds can fly high using their wings. Okay, yes, what is this? Crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Crow is black in color. Okay, H-E-N, hen. D-U-C-K, duck. P-O-R-R-O-T, parrot. O-W-L, owl. So learn this topic and then write. Thank you student. Have a good day.